Ever get that nagging feeling that someone is looking over your shoulder? Well, if you are earning money in the UK, someone definitely is. And no, it's not your nosy neighbor, it's HMRC. Lately, the taxman has been undergoing a massive digital upgrade. And let's be entirely honest, they're not daft. They're just sitting in an office shuffling paperwork anymore. They've gone high. You might think, oh, come on, Matt, I only make a bit of extra cash on the side. They won't care about a rural pro like me. Think again. If you are not careful, you could find yourself in a proper spot of bother facing a terrifying audit and a cutting bill that will leave you absolutely sick. And today, we are going through 5 massive red flags that will instantly put you on HMRC's radar. Let's get stuck into it.
Red flag 1. The unexplained bank boosts. First up, random, unexplained chunks of moolah hitting your bank account. HMRC's automated systems monitor banking data across the UK. If you are registered as earning a standard wage, but your personal bank accounts are constantly seeing random deposits of £500, £1,000, or more every month, a red flag goes off instantly. The taxman's first thought isn't, oh, look, his auntie gave him a nice birthday gift. Their first thought is, this bloke is running an undeclared business or hiding some serious cash. Remember, you have a £1,000 trading allowance every single tax year. Anything you make from a side hustle above that gross grand means you legally have to register for self-assessment. If you ignore this and keep shifting undeclared funds around, HMRC will assume you're taking the mickey and look deep into your financial history. Red flag 2, the e-commerce data trap. Moving on to red flag number 2, believing your online shops are private. There's a massive rumor going around that side hustles on Vinted, eBay, Etsy, or Depop are entirely safe from taxes. Let's set the record straight, those days are long gone. Under strict digital platform rules, these companies are legally required to narc on you. They automatically send your selling data directly to HMRC if you cross certain thresholds. So, if you've been clearing out the garage or reselling clothes as a proper business, making some serious wonga, and keeping it quiet, HMRC already has the receipts. If your reported tax return doesn't match the data handed over by eBay or Vinted, their system flags it as a direct discrepancy. Don't be a muppet, keep track of what you sell because the digital footprint is permanent. Red flag 3, ludicrous business deductions. Red flag number 3 is all about trying to be a bit too clever with your expenses. Look, maximizing your deductions is completely fair play. But some people try to write off things that are absolutely bonkers. If you run a small local plumbing business and try to claim your weekly family supermarket haul, a brand new luxury smartwatch, or an entire trip to Ibiza as a business meeting, you are playing with fire. The law is crystal clear, business expenses must be wholly and exclusively for the purpose of your trade. HMRC uses a super smart AI software network called Connect. It automatically benchmarks your business against others in the exact same trade. If the average plumber claims 15% of their income in expenses, and you're out here claiming 75%, the system flags it as completely out of order. An inspector will want a word before you can even finish your proper brew. Red flag 4, the forgotten crypto portfolio. Number 4 is a silent killer for the younger generation, hidden crypto profits. There's a massive, dangerous myth that because cryptocurrency is decentralized, the taxman hasn't got a Scooby about your Bitcoin or Ethereum gains. That is completely false. HMRC has direct data sharing treaties with major exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. Every single time you swap one coin for another, use crypto to buy something, or cash out into British quid, it triggers a taxable event under Capital Gains Tax, CGT. If you hit a jackpot on a meme coin, cashed it out, and didn't mention a single word on your tax return, you are sitting on a ticking time bomb. HMRC is actively sending out nudge letters to thousands of crypto users. Get it declared before they slap you with massive interest charges and penalties. Red flag 5, high-end lifestyle versus dead broke taxes. Finally, red flag number 5, the ultimate contradiction. Living a lavish lifestyle while claiming you're broke on paper. HMRC's Connect system pulls records from everywhere: the DVLA, car registrations, the land registry, property purchases, insurance companies, and yes, they even look at public lifestyle indicators. If your tax return says you only made a pittance of £12,000 this year, but the DVLA records show you just bought a brand new Range Rover, or your social media shows you constantly lounging in Dubai, the math simply doesn't add up. They will open an inquiry and force you to prove exactly where the funding came from. Unless you won the national lottery or got a fully documented tax-free inheritance, you are going to be in a proper